Morning. Today topic is number system. In number system, first of all we have decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So in binary system we have only two numbers, 0 and 1. We use only two numbers, 0 and 1. In decimal system we have 10. 0 to 9 numbers. 0 to 9 numbers means total 10 numbers. So this is the paper file digital electronics. Paper file digital electronics. In this we have 4 units. First unit is number system and logic gates. Number system and logic gates. In binary number system, 0 and 1. In decimal number system, 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 10 numbers. Total 10 numbers. First decimal to binary. Decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. So, first take any number. Take any number. Here I am taking 4. Here I am taking 4. So decimal to binary means base 10 equal to binary number. So what is the binary number? Base 2. Decimal to binary. So 4 is the number. 4 is the number. This 4 number can divide with 2. Divide with 2. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So here what is the remainder? 0. What is the remainder? 0. Next again divide with 2. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. So always write from lower to up. Lower to up. 1 0 0. 1 0 0. 4 is base 10 equal to 1 0 0 base 2. This is a decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. 4 divided with 2. 2 to the 4. Here remainder 0. Remainder is 0. Next 2 1 ja 2. Remainder again 0. So 1 0 0. You should write upward direction. Upward direction. 1 0 0. Base 2. Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Next, another example. (28). Another example, 28. Which number you should take? Decimal. Base 10 equal to what is the binary? Base 2. First of all, write number 28. Divide with 2. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. Remainder 0. 2 7 ja 14. Remainder again 0. 2 3 ja 6. Here remainder 1. 2 3 ja 6. Remainder we get 1. Next 2 1 ja 2. Remainder again 1. Remainder again 1. 1 1 1 0 0 base 2. We get answer is 1 1 1 0 0 base 2. 28 number decimal to binary conversion. We get answer 11100 base 2. This is the second example for decimal to binary conversion. Next, third example. Any number you take. Any number you should take. Here I am taking 80. 80 base 10 equal to what is the binary conversion base 2. First of all, take the number 80. Here also again divide with 2. Divide with 2 and every time you should write the remainder value. Every time you should write the remainder value. 18 divided with 2. 2 9 ja 18. Remainder 0. 2 4 ja 8. Remainder 1. 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. Next 2 1 ja 2. Remainder again 0. Remainder again 0. Binary conversion is 1 0 0 1 0. What is the answer? 1 0 0 1 0. This is the 8 number conversion of decimal to binary. Three examples completed. Fourth example. (28). Fourth example 28. Base 10 converted to base 2. Decimal to binary. 28. Divide with 2. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. What is the remainder? 0. Remainder is 0. Again divide with 2. 2 7 ja 14. Remainder 0. Next 2 3 ja 6. Remainder 1. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. What is the answer? 1 1 1 0 0. One, 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 0, 0. This is the answer. Another example, 141. 141. Base 10 equal to base 2. 141 divided with 2. 2 7 ja 2 7 ja 14. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Next, 2 3 ja 6. Next, 2 5 ja 10. 35 2 ja 70. Remainder 0. Next, next 2 14 ja. Sorry, 2 17 ja 34. Remainder 1. 2 8 ja 16. Remainder 1. 2 4 ja 8. Remainder 0. Next, 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. I'm writing here. 2 4 ja 8. Remainder 0. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 0. So what is the answer? 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is the answer. This is not clear. I am writing here the number 141 divided with 2. 270. Remainder 1. 70 into 2, 140. Remainder 1. 35 ja 70. Remainder 0. 217 ja 34. Remainder 1. 2 8 ja 16. Remainder 1. 2 4 ja 8. Remainder 0. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 0. So 141 base 10 equal to 1 0 again 0 0 1 1 0 1 base 2. This is the binary conversion of 141 number, decimal to binary, decimal to binary. Next, another example, 28.125 base 10 conversion of base 2, conversion of base 2. So 28 same, divide with 2. 28 divided with 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, remainder 0. 2 7 ja, remainder 0. 2 3 ja, 6, remainder 1. 2 1 ja, 2, remainder 1. This is for only this part, 28 number. Only if point is there, we take only 28 number, divide with 2, we get 11100 after 0.125. How to write this one is base 2? First 0.125 multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. We get, what is the answer? 2 5 is a 10. 2 2 is a 4. 2 2 is a 4 and 5. 2 1 is a 2. 2 1 is a 2. 0.250. 0.250. Here one check. 0.125 into 2. 2 5 is a 10. 2 2 is a 4 plus 1 5. 2 1 is a 2. 2 into 0 0. 0.25. 0.25. Again 0.25 multiply with 2. Again 0.25 multiply with 2. 0.25 into 2. 0.25 into 2, we get 0.5. 0.1. Here remainder 0. Here also remainder 0 because 0 point. 0 point. Next 0.15. 0.5. Again multiply with 2. Again multiply with 2. We get 1.0. 1.0. Here remainder 1. Here 0.25, that's why we write the remainder 0. Here also 0.5, that's why remainder 0. Here 1.0. 1.0. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. Here numbers writing in upward direction. Here from here to here. 0 0 1. 0 0 1. I'm stopping here because if you multiply 1 with 2, you get 2. You get 2 value. Again remainders we get 0 and 1 continuation. So we will stop any 3 numbers or 4 numbers. Any 3 numbers or 4 numbers. Otherwise up to 10 numbers. Up to 10 numbers we will continue. Up to 10 numbers also we will continue. But 3 digits are enough. After point, 3 numbers are 4 enough. Because 0.25 and 0.5 and 1.0 again repeating. So that's why we will stop at 3 numbers. Okay. Now I am writing here 1 after 1 after 1 0 0. This is for 28 number. This is for 28 number. After point. Next 0 0 1. 0 0 1. Paste. This is the decimal to binary conversion. So this process. In this process, only multiply with 2. Only multiply with 2. Here multiply with 2, we get 0.25. That's why remainder is 0. Again 0.25 multiply with 2, we get 0.5. Next 0.5 again multiply with 2, we get only 1.0. So ఈ ప్రాసెస్ మనం 10 numbers 10 times కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే 3 or 4 దగ్గర స్టాప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ నెంబర్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంటాయి. ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ అప్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో రాసింది రిమైండర్స్ ని, ఇక్కడ డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో రిమైండర్స్ ని రాసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ 4.12. 4.12. First we take the 4 number. 2 2 is 4, remainder 0. 2 1 is 2, remainder 0. Next 0.12 multiply with 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. 0.24 remainder 0. 0.24 multiply with 2. 0.48 remainder 0. 0.48 multiply with 2, we get 0.96, remainder 0. Next 0.96 multiply with 2, multiply with 2, 1.92, remainder is 1, remainder is 1. What is the answer? 4.12 base 10 equal to 100 for 4.0001 base 2. This is the decimal to binary conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. Next topic, binary to decimal conversion. One base 2 equal to base 2. What is the answer? What is the answer? So binary means base 2. Binary means base 2. Convert to base 10 value. Convert to base 10 value. How to convert base 10 value? We take in 2 power values. 2 powers values. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 2 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. Multiply with, this is the number 111. Here I am taking 2 powers. First starts from 2 power 0. Ones place multiply with 2 power 0. Tens place multiply with 2 power 1. Hundreds place multiply with 2 power 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. After that, adding the values. 2 power 2 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. 2 power 2 means 4. 4 into 1, 4. 2 power 1 into 1, 2 plus 2 power 0, 1. What is the value? 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 7 is the answer. 7 is the answer. So in binary to decimal system, given number multiply with 2 powers. Ones place always multiply with 2 power 0. Tens place multiply with 2 power 1. Hundreds place multiply with 2 power 2. If we have thousands place also multiply with 2 power 3. After that, 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Add the values, we get answer. What is the answer? 7. Another example. 1 1 0 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1 0 1. What is the number? This is the binary. Binary means base 2 converted to base 10 decimal value. What is the value? What is the number? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This value multiply with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Next, 2 power 5 into 1 plus 2 power 4 into 1 plus 2 power 3 into 0 plus 2 power 2 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 power 0 into 1. What is the value? 2 power 5 value. So what is the value of 2 power 5? 32. Plus 2 power 4? 16. 2 power 3 into 0? 0. Plus 2 power 2 value? 4. Plus 2 power 1 into 0? 0. Plus 2 power 0 value? 1. 1 into 1? 1. 32 plus 16. 32 plus 16. 48. 48 plus 4. 52. 52 plus 1. 53. What is the answer? 53. 53 is the answer. Next, another example. One, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Base 2, base 2. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Multiply with 2 power 0, multiply with 2 power 1, multiply with 2 power 2, multiply with 2 power 3, multiply with 2 power 4, multiply with 2 power 5. 2 power 5 into 1 plus 2 power 4 into 0 plus 2 power 3 into 1 plus 2 power 2 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. What is the value? 2 power 5 means 32 plus 2 power 4 means 16. 16 into 0 0 plus 2 power 3 8, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 0 1 into 1 1. 32 plus 8 40, 40 plus 4 44, 44 plus 2 46, 46 plus 1 47. What is the answer? 47. This is the answer. Okay. In today's class, we learn about the binary to decimal systems, binary to decimal, next one decimal to binary, decimal to binary. So in binary to decimal to binary, divide with 2, divide with 2, number will divide with 2. Next in binary to decimal system, multiply with 2 powers, multiply with 2 powers. So today class is over.